What you doing there, Pat?
Felt brush finish. So I've already coated the wall about 3 times with the felt brush. So following up the 4th time with my trowel.
Putting some water on it.
Yep. And the felt brush really allows for a lot of control about how much water you deposit. It's all about pressure. The more pressure you put on, the more water it'll deposit. So.
And why are you doing that?
The clay needs to be rehydrated, so it'll soften, and then you can close it down to the finish that you want. So, you know, a lot of guys will use spray bottles or even sponges, but just to compare, like the sponge really
holds a lot of water.
Just lets the water go. It doesn't retain the water very well. By comparison, the felt brush, just give it one shake, and it's almost a drop or 2. And then you can deposit that water with control back onto the wall.
And you're doing this because when the clay dries, it leaves a lot of voids where the water used to be. So
well, yeah, the clay...
tightening it down,
exactly.
you're making it permanent.
So it sounds kind of counterintuitive because, you know, the clay dries out, you know, the water evaporates, it leaves those voids. Why would you put more water on it? But really what happens is the water just rises to the surface, it collapses the clay structure, and those voids don't reoccur.
What else happens when you're doing this? It makes a nice finish.
Well, yeah, it gives you, again, it gives you that control. So it's all about water management. You know, how much texture you want to put into it, how smooth you want to get it. I like to use these type of inox steel trowels, stainless steel, only for this phase. It's a finishing trowel. So we use the regular carbon steels with a hawk for production. And then we just bring out these trowels for the last pass with the felt brush.
Mm-hmm.
Something, you know, that's pretty popular in the, you know, just your regular veneer plastering, but it's really well adapted for a lot of decorative finishes as well. And my theory is that the faster you can work, the more attention you can give to detail. So there's no conflict between, you know, creating a beautiful finish and it being a productive finish as well.